Abi,
Yes. Abi.
Abi. I can spell your name. Abi.
My name Baba. Abi.
Nice name. Yeah, nice name. It is uncommon name to me because before I can't hear that type of name. So it's very nice to me. Abi, where are you from?
From Bangladesh.
You are joking to me. You are joking to me because you noticed my location. I'm from Bangladesh, so you joking me. You are very clever. Yeah. Are you from Philippines?
Living in good.
Are you from Philippines?
No, me Indonesia.
Indonesia. Mashallah, mashallah. Are you Muslim? Are you Muslim? Before I met,
Yeah.
yeah, before I met a lot of Indonesian girls. I have some friends. They are Muslim.
Supermarket. What smart, huh?
Are you Muslim?
Yeah, for me, yes.
MashaAllah. How many years you live in
Hello,
Qatar?
Baba.
Okay, you
Come to Dubai.
Dubai.
For what? I'm go Dubai.
Uh, that's nice. You wanna talk to Baba, so you talk him.
Baba.
Baba.
Open camera, please, Baba.
Baba is very interesting person. Many,
Baba.
many girls like Baba because I have some friends and they are broad. They love Baba. So how many years you live in Dubai?
We know Dubai. Who cook now? 9 years. I am Qatar.
Qatar.
Yes.
Are you married?
Inshallah, who can marry?
Eh,
So, Baba.
When when I came in online and I met a lot of girls or a lot of friends, everyone told me I am a single mom. Here many girls
Wow.
who live in abroad, they are single mom. But single girl it's
Where are you now? Right. Where are you now?
I am
Where is Thai?
yeah I am from
Yes.
yeah I'm from Bangladesh and right now I live in Dhaka. Dhaka is capital city of Bangladesh and here I work. I work here in a private company. I live here. That's all about me. Uh, you live here alone in Qatar, or you have friends in your countries or relatives?